Okay, right now we're gonna learn how to unclog the pump on a Frigidaire washer. As we can see, we got water in here. We're gonna suck the water using this shop vac. Should do the job. Got all the water out. There's no more water. We can see it's rotating. It's perfectly fine. It's just a pump. The pump is located right here. So what we're gonna slide it out, and we're gonna tilt it for a little bit. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, we brought it out and it's tilted, and the pump is located right underneath here. Yeah, check it out right now. For this job, we're gonna be using small Phillips screwdrivers. Like we need 3, one little one, medium size, and this. And it's all for the same purpose. Okay, the pump is located right here underneath. We're gonna get it out and see what's stuck in it. So as we can see, all this stuff is clogging your pump. So we're just gonna clean it and put it back in there. So we cleaned the basket, so it's all mostly clean. We gotta put it right in there again, back in its place. It's only one screw here. Sorry about the lighting. Okay, we're now done with everything. We're gonna dry it out. This is the thing we remove, bunch of junk. Okay. We can see we're filling it up with water again. Spinning, it's going good. You can see there's water. We're gonna drain it. Working. It's pretty good. No water. And that's how you clear the pump drain.